Hello students. Now let's proceed with the second part of the chapter, that is about generations of computers. And up till now you have learned that computer also has its different generations. Like you have learned how we have turned using UNIVAC like big size computer to the computer stick, which is very small in size. And we have learned that with the development of generations, our computers have become smaller, faster and more advanced. So now in this queue we are going to learn more about it, and it is the second generation this time. In second generation, the time period is 1959 to 1964, and you will learn the features of second generation computer, and the most important thing is the main computing device, that is the transistors in place of vacuum tubes. And this is the transistor. You can see here how it looks like. It is very small in size as compared to vacuum tubes. That is why the computer size has become smaller. तो फीचर्स और क्या है कंप्यूटर के, सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स के. यू कैन कंपेयर दिस. यहाँ कंपैरिजन देखो आप, एक वैक्यूम ट्यूब है यहाँ पर और दो ट्रांजिस्टर्स हैं. तो देखो एक ट्रांजिस्टर एक वैक्यूम ट्यूब के कंपैरिजन में कितना छोटा है. सी वन वैक्यूम ट्यूब इज इक्वल टू 40 ट्रांजिस्टर्स. So this is why a computer size has become smaller in the second generation computer, and operating speed was faster than the first generation computer. And more than that, the cost also got reduced. An example were IBM 140, Mark III, Leo, etc. But again drawback, कुछ तो कमी होगी कि हम वापस थर्ड जनरेशन की तरफ बढ़ते चले गए. तो फर्स्ट सेकेंड जनरेशन की प्रॉब्लम भी वही थे ऑलमोस्ट. हीट बहुत ज़्यादा थी, स्पीड बहुत स्लो थी, मेमोरी जो है वो बहुत कम थी अभी इसके लिए, और लैंग्वेज अभी भी लो लेवल लैंग्वेज थी, दैट इज़ असेंबली लैंग्वेज. तो एक बार रिकैप कर लेते हैं हम सेकेंड जनरेशन को. इट वॉज स्टार्टेड इन 1959 and the time period was 1959 to 1964, and the main device was transistors, and the language it used was assembly language. ये भी एक low level language है, यानी कि difficult for us. So this much for now, and you have to learn about this more in the next part. Happy learning, children.